Data management. First, let's understand the file system of the Pa5X. All data, such as styles, MP3s, MIDI files, etc., are read directly from the drives. There's an inaccessible section on the internal drive containing all of the Pa5X factory data. The rest of the drive, as well as any connected USB drives, are all accessible by you, the end user. Also, on the back, there's access to a slot where you can insert a micro SD up to 1 terabyte in size. With all of these drives available, it might get confusing where everything is, but the Pa5X makes it easy with the visible drive path information when selecting a style, sound, MIDI file, etc. Press the Player 1 Song button. For example, you'll notice there's a folder on my USB drive called Pa5X Style Demos, with MP3s in it. I'll select one. You'll see that there are 2 more folders. The data path is shown along the bottom of the display. Song folder, drives, my USB name Pa5X Video, then the Pa5X Style Demos folder, then the Dance folder. I can touch here to go to the currently selected file, or touch here to go up one level at a time, or touch here to go to the root of the currently selected drive. Press Exit. Press the File button. Here you can access the internal and external memory to save and load your own data. By the way, some data, like sounds, PCM, and songbook, are organized in banks. But styles, keyboard sets, pads, and chord sequences are accessed as single files and not bank files. So file browsing is very similar to that of a normal computer, making it much easier to find, copy, and move files around. Press Menu and touch USB connection. It's also possible to connect to a computer using the USB device port on the back, allowing you to access the internal memory. For example, to drag and drop MP3 files between your computer and the Pa5X. Press Exit. Let's make a backup of our Pa5X data to see how the process is done. Touch Internal, Page Menu, Save. It's written in red here that first we need to make a .kst directory that will contain all the different folders of files like styles, sounds, etc. Touch here. Page Menu. Create New KST. Touch T and name the KST folder. And touch OK and OK again. Now touch Save. And everything is saved to the new KST folder. Back to drives. And there's our new KST folder. Touch it. Here are all the folders. Remember that what we saved is all the user data, like user styles, user keyboard sets, etc. We didn't create any of those, so these folders are mostly empty. Now let's load what we saved. We selected our new .kst folder, so you'll see it highlighted on the left, and the contents on the right. If you wanted to load just the chord sequences, you'd then touch that folder. Then that will be highlighted on the left, with contents on the right. Touch up to go back to the .kst folder. Page Menu, Load. Touch Replace All, so the data won't be added to what's already in the Pa5X, it will replace it. Then touch Load. It's possible to convert data from the Pa4X so it can be used in the new Pa5X system. It's not possible to convert absolutely everything, but the most important things like styles, samples, sounds, keyboard sets, pads, etc. are. Press Menu, Import. Here is where you select a paseries.set file, where you will save the new .kst folder, and what you want to name it. Some data can take longer to convert, for example, styles. By the way, if for some reason you want to go back to some or all of the factory settings, press Menu and touch Factory Restore. Here you can restore all of the resources, or uncheck all and select the specific ones you want to restore. Press Exit. It's a good idea to check KORG.com occasionally for operating system updates for your Pa5X. KORG looks for ways to improve your instrument, including the addition of features requested by end users. To find out what your operating system version is, still in File, open the Page menu and touch System Info. touch OK. Press Exit. Okay, that's it. We hope you found this video helpful. And remember that for more information, the PDF manuals available on KORG.com cover every detail of this amazing instrument. Everyone at KORG wants to thank you for purchasing your Pa5X. You have so much musical enjoyment ahead of you. You made the right choice.